Welcome to today's EV Stock Pre-Market Report, where we dive into the electric vehicle market's latest movements and surge signals. Let's get started. Tesla showed a positive trend with a 2.22% increase, setting today's surge signals at 218.12 for an upward move and 208.43 for a downward shift. NIO, however, experienced a minus 3.01% drop, with surge signals at 7.53 for a rebound and 7.05 for further decline. Lucid Motors saw a modest gain of 1.2%, with surge signals at 3.86 for an upswing and 3.68 for a downturn. Rivian had a slight increase of 0.46%, with today's surge signals at 15.73 for an upward trend and 15.09 for a potential drop. Mullen Automotive faced a significant minus 12% decrease, with surge signals at a narrow 0.22 for a rise and 0.18 for further losses. Nikola's stock dipped by minus 1.31%, with surge signals at 1.02 for a potential climb and 0.9 for a continued fall. Li Auto's shares decreased by minus 1.83%, with surge signals at 37.55 for an upward move and 36.52 for a downward trend. XPeng stock fell by minus 4.27%, with surge signals at 15.64 for a recovery and 15.01 for additional decline. ChargePoint had a slight increase of 0.74%, with surge signals at 2.77 for an upward shift and 2.62 for a downward move. Canoo, on the other hand, jumped by 8.22%, with surge signals at 0.26 for continued growth and 0.23 for a potential pullback. Polestar Automotive saw a 3.52% rise, with surge signals at 2.09 for further gains and 2.02 for a slight retreat. Microvision experienced a 5.85% increase, with surge signals at 2.04 for an upward trend and 1.9 for a downward shift. Palantir surged by 7.55%, with surge signals at 20.24 for continued growth and 18.58 for a potential decline. Fisker stock increased by 1.32%, with surge signals at 3.91 for an upward move and 3.73 for a downward trend. Stellantis saw a 1.57% rise, with surge signals at 19.54 for further gains and 19.16 for a potential drop. Blink Charging had a significant surge of 24.8%, with surge signals at 3.4 for continued growth and 2.73 for a pullback. EVgo's stock decreased by minus 5.97%, with surge signals at 2.7 for a rebound and 2.42 for further decline. Fuel Cell Energy experienced a minus 7.21% drop, with surge signals at 1.1 for a potential rise and 0.99 for continued losses. Workhorse Group had a slight increase of 0.95%, with surge signals at 0.39 for an upward trend and 0.36 for a downward move. That wraps up today's pre-market insights. Remember to subscribe to our channel for daily updates on EV stocks and stay ahead in the electric vehicle market. Keep your portfolios charged and ready for action.